Chat Technical, CA Rudramurthy now joining in on the show. Rudra, good to have you on board. Let's talk about the meltdown that we witnessed yesterday. All sectors in the red. You had the broader markets as well, which succumbed to selling pressure. And it was 18,850 just about being held on to. What is this indicative of? More of a sell-off today?
See, for me, definitely markets are highly oversold and there is every chance for a short-term bounce to come in market. And if you see charts of Nifty, 18,650 is a very, very strong long-term support, and I doubt this 18,650 crucial level will get broken. And however, on the upside, the earlier support, which was at 19,250, is now acting as resistance. So market has shifted downwards in terms of its range. Now the broad range will be around 18,650 to 19,250. Also, the monthly series which got ended yesterday is also telling me that we are now starting a fresh series, and all the positions which were there already has got rolled over, and whatever has to get unwinded has already unwinded. I will be very stock specific in this market, definitely not at current levels to short, because risk reward is not on your side. If you are a short seller and to sell this market, wait for a bounce, let it go back to those earlier support acting now as resistance of around 19,200 250 zone, rather at yesterday's level of 18,850, that offered a great risk reward to go long. If you look at bank nifty levels, similarly I see support coming to bank nifty at around 41,900. So at current market price, the risk reward definitely does not favor me to short. In fact, it is other way around. I would love for a buy trade, a short-term retracement trade or a pullback trade, which is definitely there in market. I expect more short covering to come and a short kind of a move on the upside to come, both on index and market will be very stock specific. So the earlier support which was there on bank nifty will now act as resistance, and on charts that level comes at around 43,350. So the range has now broadly got shifted into those 41,900 to 43,350 zones on bank nifty, and on nifty it will be 18,650 to 19,250. And at current level, shorting definitely does not give you a great risk reward, rather buy with a stop loss, and if you are a short seller, wait for a bounce to sell and not at current level.
All right, that's views and levels to track on the Nifty Bank as well as the Nifty. Rudra, a quick take on your stock calls?
See, in yesterday's market where you saw mayhem, there were a lot of good stocks which was still holding in yesterday's bad market. So if you can identify them and buy, that will be a great trade to make on the long side. So for me, ICICI Bank even post its good result because of market sell-off. Even this stock got sold off, but it offers now a great risk reward to buy. On private banks, my top pick will be ICICI Bank. Buy at current market price, keep a tight stop loss of 895, expecting an initial target of 934 and then 950 to come. A great risk reward buy. McDowell also looks very, very strong to me, and yesterday it clearly showed that signs of resilience, and at current market price for me it's a great buy. Keep a stop loss tight at 990, looking at initial targets of 1065 and then 1100 to come. And finally, even Escort is very, very strong to me. That's the stock to buy at any price. Look at initial targets of 3,220 and 3,400 to come on Escort. Keep a tight stop loss of 3070 for the same. And all the three stocks are available in F&O. Take long positions and strictly follow the stop loss and have a great risk reward trade on the long side.